Beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be an updated fragrance collection. I thought this would be the perfect time since it's spring and you know, spring has sprung and everyone is looking for new scents and spring cleaning, and it's an inspiring time to get a new fragrance for spring. So I thought it would be fun to do an updated fragrance collection. It has been a while, so we have one I guess, I don't know what to call it, and then we have here, I kind of divided them, as you can see, by kind of the vibe and the colors. And then I also wanted to share with you guys some new scents that I'm trying by Scentbird. So yeah, thank you Scentbird for partnering with me on this video. So we have a lot of perfumes to get through. I'm not going to get super fancy in the notes and blah 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 because it's too many perfumes. So if you are interested in knowing the exact notes and all that kind of stuff about each perfume, then definitely just go on Sephora and you can find out all that information online. I'm gonna get into the Scentbird perfumes first. So first of all, how cute is this packaging? Each Scentbird perfume comes in its little own velvet packaging with this little drawstring. So freaking cute. It says Scentbird. The packaging is really cool and unique because it's not like ugly. So for example, this is a pretty, like, you know, rose gold pink packaging. Super pretty. It says Scentbird and it's so good for travel. And then all you do is twist it right up and the spray is right here and you just bam. This one smells so good. So really cool. There's a little bird on the top here, and then to take out the actual scent you just twist it, and this is the perfume inside. So this is the carrying case, and then you can buy the refills and just keep the carrying case, and you can put a bunch of different perfumes in here. Now what I love about this is bigger than like those little sample perfumes you get. I feel like those are too small that I forget to use them because they're like invisible. This is like the perfect size for actual travel. So this one is 0.27 fluid ounces. It's the perfect little size, and it has all the information on here. So it tells you what perfume this is. So this is by Philosophy, and this is Amazing Grace Belle Rose. I was gonna say it smells really good. It smells like roses. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells like a bed of roses. It smells so freaking good. I love that you can just pop it in there and then pop it down, close it, and it's just easy, like nothing. So good for carrying in your purse. I don't know about you guys, I love carrying my perfumes with me, but obviously, like, who's gonna carry this big ass perfume with this big puff ball in your purse? You can't. This is so much more convenient, so easy to use. I love the amount of product you get in here. I think it's just like the perfect amount for traveling and keeping in your purse, and obviously it's plain safe. Scentbird is a subscription box service. You get a monthly supply of the fragrance of your choice for $15 a month with free shipping. You can cancel anytime. You get to pick your own scent, and they have over 450 designer fragrances, and you get, obviously, like I said, a generous supply. 0.27 ounces is a really good amount. I feel like that's more than you get for when you go to Sephora and like you buy the mini versions of perfumes. $15 and you get to choose a bunch of different perfumes. So bomb. And it's only $15 a month, and think about how much we spend on like just coffee that we don't even like. With this, you can try all different types of scents, and it's only $15 a month. Free shipping comes right to your door. It's a really great service if you're a perfume junkie and like to take your perfumes with you, or if you travel a lot. And they make great gifts, I think, too. I think these would be a great gift for like a bridal party. You can get everyone one different perfume. I just think it's so cute, or even as a gift. I just love the idea. So we have 3 more scents here, and each of the little packages are different colors, so you guys can see all the different colors they offer. So this is like a pretty lavender color. Isn't it so cute? This is In Full Bloom by Kate Spade. I love how clear and concise the words are here. You cannot confuse what scent you have. This one, let's smell it. Ooh, this one's cool. This has an oceany scent. Florals, and ooh, it's very bright and crisp. I love that. This is a white kind of pearlescent packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that color. It's like an opal kind of packaging. So pretty. Again, it is Philosophy Pure Grace in Nude Rose. So another rose scent, which I love. Those are my favorites, so I definitely will be getting my use out of these, guys. Oh, this one has like a deep, like a deeper fragrance. I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's not as light and airy and girly. This one is like more mysterious, more sexy, which I think is why it's called Nude Rose. I love the little carrying case. Isn't that so cute? Oh my god, Scentbird is so cute. I love this service. For $14.95 a month, I think it's a really great investment because, like I said, $15 goes so quick for us girls. Let's just dive right in because we got a lot to cover in a short time, girl. J'adore by Dior. I love this perfume so much. I love the packaging. This is such a classic, womanly, like elegant scent. Think of like diamonds. An interesting bottle to have. Next we have the Ariana Grande. I don't know which one this is, guys, but I will find it and leave it down below. I love this one because of the poof. This is definitely one of those perfumes that are for a younger girl. Like, I mean, I think anyone obviously could wear it, but it's definitely like a very light, sweet, girly scent, but it's not overly childish. Next we have two of Prada candies. Now these come in a bunch of different ones. This is the original, which I love. This perfume is absolutely delicious. This perfume is super sweet and very candy like, but in an adult way. All-time favorites. It is very good with the lasting power. I love how it smells as well as the packaging. Prada perfume in the gloss, and this is the packaging. I got a smaller bottle of this one. This one has more of a, I don't know, like, one has a different scent to it. So again, it's sweet because it is a Prada candy, but this one has a lighter note to it. Next we have the Givenchy Rose Ardente. I love this perfume. It is basically like Flowerbomb with chili. This perfume literally has chili in the perfume, and when you smell it, you take a deep breath, you can actually feel the spiciness in your nose. I usually will mix this with something sweeter just to take the edge off, but this is so cool, and I believe it's unisex. I really like this perfume. It's really expensive, but because it's so spicy, you barely will use it or barely need to use that much. Speaking of Flowerbomb, that is my all-time favorite perfume. You can see the bottle's almost empty. This perfume is absolutely delicious. It's the most beautiful, vibrant, rose, sexy scent. I mean, if someone's wearing this, you automatically know they're wearing Flowerbomb. Next we have another kind of rose scented perfume. This is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Rose. First of all, who doesn't love this packaging? This perfume is very light and airy. It has a light rose scent, but then it also smells like rosé. Like, it does smell like bubbly rosé. It's girly, it's light. I feel like this is really fun for, you know, a young girl. Next we have the Gabrielle by Chanel, which, I mean, I didn't get it just because it says Gabrielle, but that's like the reason why I wanted it. But I do like the way this smells a lot. So this again has that powdery, expensive scent. All right, next we have Versace Bright Crystal, which, hello, isn't the packaging adorable? It is a very bright, fresh scent. So this one is a very light, bright, fresh scent, and I really like it. Like how, like I said, it really does have that bright effect, the way the name says. You definitely get that pomegranate, like, you know, burst of fruitiness, but then, and then last for this little section here is the YSL Mon Paris, which is My Paris in French. And this is the little bottle. Isn't it so cute? It's very sensual, passionate, sophisticated. It has a lot of like fruity notes to it. And it's a very like sexy kind of first we'll just go through the Kim K perfumes. So these were the ones that came out for Valentine's Day, and I picked up all three because all three was still cheaper than some of one of these perfumes. The little packaging I thought was just so cute. How could you say no to the little hearts? And I love these because I am a perfume junkie and I will put these in my purse. It's the perfect size, I think, to put in your purse. This one is very sweet and girly. Other two are a little bit more edgy, but they all still have like a candy scent. They all have little differences. I love all of them. They're really delicious. I mean, I don't think these are ever coming back, but if you get a chance to get them, or if you look for them on eBay or something and you wanted them, I would recommend them. I think they're great, just throw in your purse. Another kind of throw in your purse, daytime appropriate, yummy scent is this MAC Crème de Nude shade scent perfume by MAC, and this one smells like vanilla. It's a sweet vanilla low-key scent. The Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs, powdery rich woman scent, but this one has that lovely floral, you know, obviously it's supposed to smell like rose, like flowers. Like, next is a perfume that I've also had for a really long time, the Vera Wang Midnight Princess, and notes of this one are watermelon, raspberry, and cranberry. So you know that's one of the main reasons why I bought it. I love that watermelon scent. Next we have YSL Black Opium. So this is addictive, floral, energetic. You get coffee, orange, cedarwood, patchouli. So I think that's why I love it so much. Patchouli is one of those really yummy nighttime sexy scents. And then last but not least, we have the Marc Jacobs Decadent. I love this packaging because it looks like a little purse. So this one is in the floral, like warm floral family. It has Italian plum, Bulgarian rose, jasmine. Yeah, I really feel like I smell the amber and the jasmine. Good for day or night, but definitely more on the night. So I know that was a lot to get through. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Scentbird. I will leave all the info down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Don't forget to stay glam, and I'll see you in my next video.